Talk 46, Welding. Today we will focus on 3 important aspects of welding: fire, fumes, and the face. Before welding, inspect the area carefully. Look for fire hazards. Wood, paper, or other flammables must be removed. Never weld where flammable liquids are present without consulting a supervisor first. If the floor is wood, clean it well. Cover it with metal or another fire-resistant material. Be careful. Metal floors may create an electrical shock hazard. If welding with electricity, ground the equipment. If welding in wet areas, use an insulating platform. Watch out for cracks where sparks can fall. Never allow hot metal to drop into machine pits. Open doors, broken windows, and other openings must be shielded with asbestos curtains. The curtain must touch the floor so sparks do not slip underneath. If welding near flammables, keep a fire extinguisher, a bucket of water, or a bucket of sand close by. Sometimes, a worker must stand by with an extinguisher, ready to act. If cutting or welding tanks or drums that contained flammable liquids or gases, never begin until tests show there are no dangerous vapors. Do not rely on old tests. The check must be done immediately before starting work. Good ventilation is essential. Welding produces fumes in high concentrations. They are dangerous. Never block airflow with screens. Use them only to protect pedestrian routes. Sometimes, extra ventilation equipment is needed. If in doubt, ask your supervisor. Never weld in a small, closed space without first checking ventilation. Eye protection is a must. In many jobs, full face protection is required. Once you are told what to use it always. That is what keeps you safe. Even when not welding directly. Protect your eyes. Cleaning or striking metal with the helmet lifted may let particles enter the eyes. That is why welders must also wear safety glasses. In addition to helmets, eye protection shields you from sparks, slag, molten metal, heat burns, and radiation from welding arcs. Follow the company's rules for face and eye protection. If you do, you will avoid injuries to your eyes and face.